What up, guys?
If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing my shorts inside out, because it said where I lived on the bottom, so didn't really want to show that in the video.
Today we are doing
Funny Balloon Sounds Part 2.
So yeah, our first one will be
that almost says 40 views, and make sure you guys subscribe because once we get 100 subscribers,
we will get some merch.
Oh yeah.
So please subscribe. We will subscribe to your channel if you have one. So thank you. And here's our first balloon sound.
Okay, so first, you just want to tie the balloon, and I don't know if I showed you guys this trick. You just twist the balloon a little while. I don't know how long does it take, probably about like 30 seconds. You just twist the balloon, and then voila, it's tied. So the first sound is you just rub up against the balloon, like that. Frankie blowing up and demonstrate how they would do it at home. Oh, and then it's no.
You used to have a punching bag.
Oh yeah, you could also use it as a punching bag. Oh, and also it's super easy because then you could also untie it, and there it comes out super slow. Look at how slow it's shrinking right now.
Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you don't know how to tie a balloon, like all that crazy stuff, just do this for about like 30 seconds. And bam. Sometimes
it doesn't work, but most of the time it will.
If you make it like very small, like this or something, like it'll like never pop, or like sometimes it'll deflate. But if you make it like this small, okay. Our
so
second one
is Frankie. You could show them the second one. Okay, so it might, if you guys saw part 1, you guys might see some of the same stuff again, but there's gonna be some different stuff that I have. Here, put it up close to the camera so that way they can hear.
What?
There, I got it for you. So you just squeeze it, and it makes that sound. And look at how cool this looks too. You could go. Frankie. Oh my god. Oh yeah, and then there's another cool thing that you could do. If you rub it in your hands like that, you'll just do that, and then take the tip, and look at this balloon right now. That does not look like a balloon. But then if
that's just like a really weird trick.
If you guys heard that crackling, it makes like a weird crackling. Oh yeah, and then you can also do that really annoying sound.
Okay, so yeah.
Here, I'm going to put it up close to the camera. So, like, it looks like a
little
worm. Yeah. But, here it goes. What? Sorry, guys, got me the camera for a second. It just... Oh, shit. I don't want this phone. Alright, here it goes. Whoa! Dude, did you just see that? If you guys saw that, leave a like. Oh my god. They literally came flying at the camera. Here we go. Tell me how this looks. I just want to see if the balloon... Oh my god. I just want to see if the balloon actually blows up the whole screen. Ready, guys?
Shit, it actually did.
Ready? Let's try farther away. Oh, dude, that's sick. Look, you can see us through the balloon. Oh my god. Oh, right there.
Never
Don't
eat
do
this.
that. Yeah, no. Guys, never put it in your mouth. Because then if it pops in your mouth, you could just choke on it. Now, let's see how long our other one was. We were just looking at our channel real fast.
Right.
It was 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Well,
We just
It
hit it.
literally just hit it. Okay, guys, so I have one more.
No. This is the classic. Wait.
And then I also have one more. Frankie, I'm gonna pop it, okay? Hold on.
Oh, shoot. Plug your ears, people.
Dude, that got so big. Gosh, dang it.
Sorry, people.
Sorry, guys. Frankie, you know what to do. Guys, I also had to do this in my last video. Frankie, grab the scissors.
We have to grab scissors.
They're right up there. You can see them. Either scissors or a knife will work. Oh, no, dude, that would actually be hilarious to use.
Should we do it?
No, because then my mom is going to have to clean and then she's going to wonder why we use it. Dude, I cut my hand bad on that thing before.
Guys, don't try this at home.
No, but guys, actually, I was trying to cut something open with this thing, and I just sliced my finger.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, guys, plug your ears, because it's going in.
Boom!
I did not know that it was going to pop that easily. I was going to say 3, 2, 1, and then just go like that. But it kind of popped really easily. Alright, guys, we're going to do it with one more.
If you don't like balloon popping, we're sorry.
If you don't like balloon popping, just
Plug your ears or something. We
Yeah.
don't.
If you guys like these videos, make sure to leave a like.
Like and
Oh, and
subscribe.
also, and subscribe.
Okay, plug your ears.
3.
2, 1.
Wait, dude. I want to do like that karate thing. It's like sizing it up.
Do what?
3,
2,
2,
1. Blast off.
1. That's up. Wow. Okay, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and also we want to know.
Comment down below what video we should do next. Like, floors should be lava for 24 hours.
Some more skit videos.
Yeah. So please comment down below what should
And
our
like
next
just
video
for an
be.
example, say Fortnite God comments down below. Do a something skit video. Like if even
Do
if
like a
you
pizzeria skit video or something.
like even if you guys say like do a cereal skit video, we'll find some way to do it. Because we don't really get that many comments that often. We've only got like 3 comments before. But hopefully we can get some more comments on this video. Comment down below what you guys want us to do. If it's possible, we'll try to do it.
we will try to
We'll
do it as
try.
fast as I can.
But then in the next video, if we just can't do it, then we'll
We're
tell
sorry.
you guys. Yeah, we're sorry if we can't do it. But just leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. If you like our videos a lot, hit that notification.
Please, we need to get 100 subscribers from her.
I mean, guys, if you guys don't like our videos, but like, just still subscribe because if you don't turn on the notifications, it does nothing except show up that we are on your subscribe list. But like, that's really all.
Please just subscribe and see you guys in the next video.
See you guys in the next one. Bye.